Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to edit your username on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll be provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon, which is used to create your posts on TikTok, your inbox icon, and your profile. Here you click on your profile. And then below your profile picture, you can see there's an option that says Edit Profile. You click on Edit Profile and you click on the second option that says Username. You tap on it and then you can change your username to whatever that's available on TikTok. After creating your username, you click on Save, which is at the top right. And then your username will be generated or changed. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.